Welcome to another wonderful recipe. In this video, I want to share with you how to use sand for visa and travel log. If you're the type of person that have been applying for visa, you have been trying to travel abroad, or you have been trying to travel to a particular country, but they keep denying you visa. You don't know what to do. I want you to watch this video to the end because I'm going to teach you how you can use sand to get log to travel to any country that you want. Okay. This is not magic, this is a spiritual recipe, and this will perfectly work based on your belief and faith. Yes, because when it comes to spiritual assignments, faith is very, very important. Okay, because some people, even if you pray from night to tomorrow, even if you do spiritual work for them from night to tomorrow, they will not get the result. Why? Because they are having doubt, or they don't believe, or they are underrating the person that is teaching them or that is doing the work for them. Okay, so what you need to do with the sand for you to get love to travel to any country if you are finding it difficult to get visa or the embassy is denying you visa. This recipe is something that is very, very powerful. Okay, so what you need to do is when you want to apply for the visa, or when you apply for the visa but you want to go to the embassy for an interview, get a sand. Okay, get a sand from your compound, okay, or from your village. If you're in the city, go to your village and get a sand. Now when you get that sand, raise it up and speak a word, declare a word. Call your ancestors to come and help you to secure this visa, to secure this travel, to bring you good luck. Communicate with your ancestors, pray to God, okay, and make promises to your ancestors that if they can be able to grant you this visa, or they can be able to make you get luck to travel abroad, we are going to do something for them, anything that comes from your mind. Okay, and make sure that when they do it for you, make sure that you fulfill your promise. Okay, this will help you get that visa. This will help them make you get that visa very fast, because some people don't even know how to connect with their ancestors. They don't know how to talk with their ancestors. Pick a sand from your compound, from your village, raise it up and speak to your ancestors. Now after speaking to your ancestors, drop that sand on that ground and then go for your visa interview or your travel interview. Okay, this is going to help you get luck to travel to any country that you want to get if you are finding it difficult to travel aside, because a lot of people don't know that your ancestors can pave way for you. Your ancestors can bring good luck into your life. Churches have made some of us believe that our ancestors are evil. Churches have brainwashed so many of us to make us believe that our ancestors are evil. That is why some people don't communicate with their ancestors, forgetting that in the next few years to come, even them that is condemning their ancestors, they will no longer be alive. They will be dead, and they will be remembered as ancestors. Okay, now these are the things that you need to understand. Okay, don't allow somebody or people to brainwash you. Your ancestors will not wish you evil, or they will not wish you dead, just like you don't wish your children evil. That is how it is. Okay, so you need to understand this. So if you are finding it difficult to travel abroad, if you are finding it difficult to get love when it comes to travel, try and get a sand, okay, from your family. Okay, use it and communicate with your ancestors. Make a promise. Now the reason why you need to make a promise is for them to act fast. Okay, it's for them to act fast. But I'm not saying that it is everybody that will make a promise. It depends on what your spirit tells you, like your instinct tells you. Okay, but if you want to move the hand of spirit, like if you want to move the hand of gods, you need to make promises. Okay, that promises will make them rise fast and go and do that work. Okay, so that you fulfill your promise. Because sometimes people don't know that this is something that is working. Okay, but the mistake that some people do is that they abandon the promise, or they refuse to fulfill their promise, which is very bad. At the end of the day, you will find it difficult in life. Okay, so if you want to travel abroad and you are finding it difficult, try and carry out this assignment with this sand. Okay, this is going to help you secure that visa very fast. So to bring good luck for you, okay, on that interview. Okay, so this is something that you shouldn't joke with. Okay, it's going to help you a long way. All right. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. It's just spiritual team here in this channel. By the special grace of God, God has been doing wonders through this channel. Okay, so if you like my teaching, give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Okay, so if you have any question, please comment section. If you want to talk to me directly, maybe you have something that is bothering you, chat me about WhatsApp. Okay, for a serious conversation, right? Chat me about WhatsApp. Okay, so this is what you can do with sand. This is what you can do with sand to get luck to travel to any country that you want to travel. Okay, just with the sand, nothing more. Just with the sand, you are not, sacrificing any fowl. You're not sacrificing any cow. Just the sand, and then say what you wish, what you want to do for them, and make sure that you say something that you can be able to do. Okay, don't go and promise something that you cannot be able to do. So when you are promising, make sure that you promise something that you can be able to fulfill. All right. So yeah, I'm wrapping it up in this video. Do these assignments and you get that luck to travel to any country that you want. Okay, so yeah, I'm wrapping it up in this video today. See you guys in my next video. Bye.